Hello. Now I am describing you how can you manage the post and how post will appear in the home page. To know this, let's create a new post. For now, I am just create with dummy content. Okay, this is our code editor. This is called Gutenberg bar editor. Okay, so here we have to add our title. Let's write for text. I paste here dummy text. Okay, you can add here anything you like: paragraph, image gallery, image, video, heading. There's lots of things here you can add. Okay, file, title, latest post, whatever you want, here you can find. Okay, in this gear icon you can appear this navigation controller area. If we want any video in our content, just paste here link, video, audio, feature title, image caption, thea post slider. Okay, we can set featured image. Whatever you like. This is our featured image. We can specify our template, which template we can. Well, there are 8 different type of template to have for post. We can show a featured image. Here you can set the author. In this post we can stick top of the blog. If we click this, then this post will be appear in the top of the blog, and this is the post format. Okay, if you select video, then here will appear this video icon. Okay, that it will describe to the visitor that this is a video post. Okay, you can audio, standard, gallery, whatever you want. Okay, so this is the option of creating post. We can download this. Right. Post featured image download. Okay. Okay, now we can publish our post. Publish. Okay, this post has been published. Now we can view our post by clicking here or here. Okay, viewing with a new window. Okay, this is our title. Okay, this is featured image we have add here. This is our text. Okay, so this is how it will appear in the single block. We can check in home page that how it will appear in home page. Okay, this is appear here in the news section. If we add a standard simple post, then it will this theme will consider this as a news. And check here is the video icon, because we add here video. Okay, if we want that this post will appear in the feature section, then we have to add tags here called featured. Okay, this tag, if you add this tag, it will appear. You can specify this for what will be the tag from here. Okay, here which word is here, then that will be and that we have to put in here. Okay, let's update. Let's check about this. Reload. Okay, this is appear in the first. Okay, our category text, this is okay. So now this is way of how can we conduct our website. Thank you.